Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, and this time for tuning into my 2,960th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, quickly, before we get involved in what's happening in markets, you know the risks involved in this game, right? It's a very risky game. Put your stops in first. Put protective stops in before you ever get into an open position. You'll live a lot longer that way in this business. So, what's on the board? Hey, in that last video I put out, Wednesday night for Thursday, Friday, I said to you, watch out, kids, watch out. Don't go to the downside. Why? Because Wall Street is watching. I showed you a series of charts, and I told you Wall Street was watching. Hey, man, that's where I grew up. I know how to make those calls. So they did exactly what we expected. They came in and bought the crap out of this thing on Friday, just as we were expecting. What we showed in that video, where I mentioned to everybody, watch out, Wall Street's watching. Everything that we looked at happened on Friday. But now we're here trading Monday night for Tuesday. Forget about it. I told you Wall Street was watching. Forget that. There's something new on the board. Beware. Holiday reversals are abound. What are holiday reversals? Well, when you've got a big major holiday in the United States, like this one happening at the end of this week, anybody who owns anything vacation-wise has to go there, close it down, clean it up, shut shop, or close shop, I should say, for the summer, head back home and get their kids to school next week. You know what I'm saying? This is a big holiday. So, what do we expect during these major holidays where we have a 3-day weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or a Friday, Saturday, Sunday? In this case, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We get holiday reversals. I'm going to show you the charts on holiday reversals right now. You'll see them right now, and you'll see why it looks like we probably have to follow the red Omni for trading on Tuesday in U.S. indices. Traders, I don't want to waste much of your time tonight. We've got a long week to go, although it is a holiday week, so we might have to taper off a little on our trading. Speaking of which, you know, it's summertime. I don't show up in the room at 7 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I mosey on in around 10. Don't do as many videos in front of the camera. But you know, it's 110 to 120 degrees here in Vegas in the summer. And everyone's away anyway, and the markets are a little rickety. But guess what's coming, kids? September! When September rolls around, we start working like animals once again. We're at the desk all day and night long. The trades come out like crazy. For you Omniacs following the trade recommendations, yeah, there's been few fills in the last week or two. That's what happens at the end of August, the end of summer. Wait until you see by the end of September how many fills we're going to get. Stay the course. Keep your faith in the Omni. The fills will finally come our way. Now, we've done really well sending out Omni trade recommendations this entire year. As I've read these figures to you before, I'll be very quick. You could have made over $10,000 or about $10,000 in January on one lot only trading the Omni Rex. $19,000 rolled in Feb. $75.12, oddly enough, rolled in March. We lost $8,600 in April. We made $20,400 in May. We made $9,900 in June, and a minus $177 for July. If you're going to lose, it might as well be little. Now we've got the month of August. We'll get that out of the way, and then September comes, and these markets grow, and everything grows, and our figures grow. It's so exciting. Make sure you're in livewithoscar.com, in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. Be there. Once SEP starts, it's going to get busy. We're going to get active. We're going to learn a lot of great stuff together. And hopefully the Omni will point us towards more winning months. Traders, last thing on the board is OmniCamp coming soon to Australia. Fill out your OmniCamp applications now. If you are in Australia, you want to spend 4 days and nights learning with Oscar in Australia. Instead of you having to come all the way to the United States, I'm coming to you. But you've got to go to OmniBootCamp.com right now. Fill out your OmniCamp applications. 4 days and nights training with Oscar in Australia. OmniBootCamp.com. Go there and do that. Take a look at what these Omniacs who were at my last camp had to say. Take a look at this quick reel, and then we'll go look at some charts.
My name's Chris John Higdon, and I'm from San Francisco, California. We're here at OMNI Camp in Las Vegas with Oscar Carboni and a couple other gentlemen. Just came here mainly because I wanted my trading to be refined and defined, and I think I got the discipline and everything I need to be successful with Oscar.
Traders, I showed you these charts and I told you Wall Street's watching. Don't go short here. And look what they did all the way up on Friday. Wall Street was watching, baby. I'm not stupid, am I? You tell me I don't know how to read charts. Now, we've got a down bar, a red bar here right now. That was Monday's bar. That, my friends, is a holiday reversal. And now a holiday reversal comes our way right after that monster day. Nothing you can do about holiday reversals on these big major holiday weeks with the 3-day weekend coming up, except for trade them, right? Holiday reversal, we're going to take a short if we can in E-mini S&P. It's not just there. Wall Street was watching in NASDAQ as well. Look at this big run up. But now we've got a red bar right here. We've got a red Omni. Reversals are abound, and it's not just in the indices. Look at something like coffee, completely separate from E-mini S&P NASDAQ, right? Massive rally, massive rally, massive rally. Reversal right on the first day of the week the reversal starts. These things are real, kids. Next, look at this. Move out to something like Ethereum. After that monster rally, Ethereum fills its gap, comes down, hits it perfectly, hits the trend support, straight back up, monster day on Friday, and look what it did Monday. Holiday reversal in play, kids. So in crypto, I showed it to you in coffee, I showed it to you in the NASDAQ, in the E-mini S&P. You've seen it in Bitcoin now, which is right before your eyes, and Ethereum. Look what happened in Bitcoin. Nice fat rally on Friday. Monday, the reversal kicks in. Holiday reversals are abound even in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And look at something like soybeans. It's all over the map. It's everywhere. Look at this major reversal down right here. Boom. All the nice rally out of a pennant flag. Rallies up very smartly, and then the holiday week starts. Traders, it's just a holiday reversal. These reversals will go away, and we'll go right back to work next week like they never happened. I hope this helps you. I hope you remember our mantra because we're going to practice it right now. We do this in every video. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop soar in. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.